What's up guys, it's your girl Sydney T, long time no see, coming at you with another video. If you see my last video, this top should look very familiar. It's the halter top that I bought from Shein, and I have it on here the traditional way it is supposed to be worn. But today what I'm going to do for you is show you a few different ways that you can wear this, because if you remember from the last video, I was a little stumped. I was like, there has to be more ways. You can't just have this and it be it. Like, it has to be multifunctional, you know? I'm here to try out a few different options and see what we could do with this. So, okay, we have number one, already traditional. Let's try something a little different that I tried before. Right, so we have number two just tied in the front. So I crossed it in the back. Instead of tying it a bow in the back like I did in the first one, I just pulled it and tied it in the front. So pretty much the same, but you know, bows in the front. We're gonna count it as something different. Let's try another one. All right, number three, boom, it's a bandeau. All I did was center it on my back, pull it in the front, and do a little bow. Now we have a bandeau. Very cute and honestly supportive because it just pulls the girls in together. So we got cleavage too. Now what? Let's try something else. For this one, all I did was undo the bow for the bandeau and just pull the strings up and tie them behind my neck. So we have like another halter situation, but like in reverse kind of. And this one's really cute. All right, I'm getting more ideas. Let's see if I can keep it going. Alright, so I don't know if you can count this one as completely different. All I did was put it on the original way, like do the cross in the front. But before I crossed it, I just twisted it a few times, and now I have this. Still tied in the back, just a different play on the first version, the original version. Alright, so for this one, I'm just tying it like how I did the bandeaus. The center is on my back, but this time I'm just going to cross it in the front. And pull it tight in the back. So now we have another bandeau look, but it's kind of cleaner in the front, more texture from the crossover, and just a simple bow in the back. I think I'm doing good. I think we're getting somewhere. I just keep pumping out these looks, my guy. Just keep pumping them out. Alright, so I took it starting from the middle of my back, and I just pulled the pieces in the front like how I started all the bandeau looks, twisted it in the front, and then just tied it in the back. Had to do some adjusting, you know, cover up the areolas and everything, make sure nothing was showing, but I got there. So now we have a nice little crisscross look and tied in the back. Cute. Can't complain. Alright, this one was one I wasn't sure was gonna work, so I just tried it. I'm still not sure if it works. It kind of just looks like those Tata towels, not gonna lie. I just put it on the nape of my neck like how it's supposed to be designed, the original design. Pulled it on the nape of my neck, over the yitties, crossed it in the back, and tied it in the front. And I'm sure you could probably just keep it tied in the back. Probably wouldn't have that much support. I'll give it a try just for shits and giggles. Yeah, no, don't do this. This isn't it. This doesn't look good. Don't do this. Alright, this one. Probably also not safe if you have bigger boobs. Probably something you're going to have to be very still for. Like, this is good for one picture, and then you got to change your outfit. So I just put it, again, on the nape of my neck. That's not different. Pulled it to the front. Crossed it in the center. And then just tied it in the back. So we have another like halter crisscross front action. This one's actually cute. Alright, so I don't know how many that was. I feel like we definitely had to have at least hit 10 by that point. I feel like I did a lot. I got creative a little bit, you know? Let me know in the comments which one you guys like the best. I got a few favorites I'm going to try and, you know, go out with, because I told you this couldn't be the only way to wear it. I told you guys, and I found some ways, and I found it. I found a few different ways, and I'm kind of happy with it. I'm satisfied. So again, let me know which one was your favorite. Let me know if you actually purchased the top. Let me know if there's some ways that I didn't try that you've thought of, and just let me know. Give me a few comments. I'd love to have some dialogue on the subject. And of course, like and subscribe. Until next time, guys. Bye.